Poor conditions made for poor offense, and when you have the defensive MVP on your team, you have the advantage. Bulldogs linebacker and this year's defensive MVP Justin Santos, along with the Ukadu defense squad, came up big, scoring the only touchdown of the game after FD running back Xavier Damien juggled a toss only to lose it and watch Garen Regis run it the other way for 6. The Ukadu Bulldogs beat the Friars 6-0 and also beat the Friars in both meetings, this being the more important one, sending the Friars packing, while the Bulldogs will go on to face the number 1 seeded Simon Sanchez Sharks this Friday, where the winner goes to the big game.
First, I want to congratulate Ukadu for coming out here and playing some good football. You know, when you come play football and you're making turnovers, you know, it's not going to go well for your team at the end of the day. So, but at the end, you know, we had a good season. We know what we need to work on mentally and physically for the next year. It was a defensive battle. Both defense did good. Like I said, we made the mistake and they took advantage of it.
You know, I told them this whole week, if you guys want to practice next week, and if you guys want to play in the championship game, FD is the first team we got to go through. So, you know, it was a great game. Defense played lights out again. The offense, you know, we move the ball when we can. And, you know, we're just trying to get better each game. Our record doesn't really speak volumes for our team's capability, and it shows. We may be 2-4, but we're led by the defensive MVP.